What I tell her, my husband with the listing. Now you tell me for hotel for Mazzini. If you not remember, I remember for hotel for Mazzini, for Bologna.
Pretty Joy.
Bros, I do here.
You hear what she talk?
No, I hear what she talk. Now what to make a bring the paper for us. So
No, I know. Me they ask you. Leave Juju. We they talk here. Juju, listen.
No,
We wait.
bros, you wait now, bros.
We get out.
You know
wait,
that I want to talk on like
wait,
you know understand?
wait.
She say that what me tell Abi.
Pretty Joy.
You say what I tell her.
Pretty Joy, you feel your calm down for me. Calm down. We wait there Europe, eh? If you know they measure Juju, if they follow our back of here. You don't understand because where we pass, call if Juju they say people native daughter for not die for that river. You understand what thing that they talk so? So we now.
Bros, ask the as the ballon. Not talk that one, bro. Ask the as the ballon. Not talk that one, bro.
Now, calm down. Not be everything we speak believe for. Calm down. So we wait there years now. We know we dey fight our fight in our own way. You understand? If she wrong you, she go apologize. If now you wrong her, you now apologize so that this case go over. If they ask you questions, say whether you not tell them for hotel, what do you tell them for hotel? You tell them.
What do you say? Wait. What do you say me tell you for hotel?
You tell me say me I call prophet say now prophet do your own for you. Whether I know they see your husband, say your husband they obey you. Say me I call prophet say make the prophet do one. Say my baby papa they obey me. Whether they talk that you go they listen to me. Now you tell me.
First, me and you come sit down. I come carry phone. I chop belly full. I come carry phone. Say me you call prophet. Make prophet. Make your husband.
You say you meet her for hotel.
My husband they obey you. I don't believe for.
Mama, you know they understand what she talk. He say una meet for hotel.
No, he call me. No,
Okay. Call you.
Let's be fast.
Call me. When I come up for the hotel, he call me. That time when I came from no. They call me. They check on me. They call me. They check on me.
Sorry.
They call me that. If they call me, they check on me. Now that I take call me say, me I call the woman. Really, I call the woman. But see, I not do. I call the woman say, where I then I not fit tell you.
Bros,
I not do one when I come up for there.
Bros, say we tell her like that, Nabi. Me matters okay because of that one. Not be I go bring Juju paper count. Only because if I talk, I'm not talking. Abi?
No. As far as say this matter,
okay, now since me not talking, I talk. I'm not talking. I say I talk.
Nobody they swear Juju. As far as say this matter,
not talk that word though.
No, Mama. Our leg. Pretty Joy. Listen to me. I respect you a lot. Calm down. I respect you because say you be Benin woman and you be Nigeria and you be our brother wife. Listen, I respect you because you're a married woman. Any Juju not they enter this talk. She know the answer any Juju.
Bros, wait, bros, wait.
For this TikTok, we don't abandon Juju for this TikTok.
Nobody, you fair wait first now.
The suffer where una dey suffer. Wait now, make I talk finish. No worry, nobody don't accuse you now. They never accuse you say you do and you not do am. The suffer where una life they suffer. Where would they suffer for this Europe? E never reach for una. Where una go they carry money they send for Juju person for Nigeria. May come they pray for una. May come they swear for una. No Juju they enter TikTok. We go dakodo everything. Nothing will never happen to any man. Except say una get to una own way, una fit take summon anybody. As far as saying that TikTok, the matter don't come TikTok. Nobody they bring Juju come TikTok.
But I not get TikTok. I not get TikTok. Not make her come TikTok. So na me
no, you know yeah.
Part of correction. I bring the TikTok.
I know.
So if I bring the see someone like that.
Pretty love, Pretty Joy. Listen to me. Juju no they settle any matter. You understand? Juju no the key. You dey hear me? Not be the way you tell the do and so not be so Juju tell the key person. Because if I talk, no, you know they work like that. You understand? So they born you for house. You suppose know the tradition way. You understand? This matter, now matter where we will feel resolved. See the girl, see your maths now. In they tell you say you call land for four say the way you tell do your husband, where you use Juju for where you can't obey you. One make she still go there, go do the prayer. Make your husband come still they listen to her. No, wait, listen.
Now the way they make man they obey.
Me no know.
Now what she talk?
Let me they talk.
Okay, bros, you don't understand how me and everything talk. Okay, number one, you say they say Juju, native doctor.
He said na prophet.
Where you take this stuff about? Okay, na prophet you can't change that to. Say na prophet.
You not say Juju, say na prophet the woman be.
Let's go. Not put your clothes.
So
When me
So
and you take discuss, say, may you go carry, may you carry your husband, go prophet, may go tie am. Oh no,
oh yeah, may
bros,
you
you know guy
talk.
you want to talk
Happy,
am.
happy, talk.
You know
If you
guy you
ask
want to
me,
Sir,
talk am. You know get I want to talk am. You know the bros.
sir,
You know guy you want to talk am. You know say not let the truth I don't want. If you
he
just
tell
tell the
me,
truth, na
oh,
everything go
he
quick.
tell
Since
me,
this I
he
tell
can't,
now,
he
oh yeah,
can't use your,
let's
let
just.
me talk. If they talk, and you go, they make, we know the let person they talk. This girl, you know what he want to do? He want me to go swear so that his husband will say, okay, no problem. Say na lie, lie. Later you go watch juju, say make they kill me. Na me and you they do all those things.
You see the
What I don't
imagination
know
when
you
they worry
for.
now. You don't see
so
the imagination.
so wait, no juju they kill you. Listen,
No, I
happy.
don't talk now. So you want to turn out to wait till tell me for tell for Mazini. Now this get the change. Now this get the change. Say you don't tell me. Even tell me say because see your husband they give her 800 € every month. Every month say your husband they give her 800 €. Say your husband they obey her. Whether I not see I say your husband follow and go church or Sunday. Whether I not see I say your husband they follow and go
You know
champion.
whether na lie they lie.
Now so he tell me. Now so he tell me, even girlfriend, when he tell me say he post my picture for Facebook. Now that one say this girl be one evil thing spoil and marriage.
Make the girl come. You feel share the life, give the
Yes.
girl.
Yes. Mm-hmm. I'm not
Make the
saying not
girl
signature
come.
person with the bear the witness. No.
Happy queen.
Sir,
What be the girl name?
wait, may I find the girl name? The girl dey TikTok. I don't know her name like that. And now me call the girl for Facebook. Say the girl, now the girl tell me say it a verse for me when this girl just for her. You don't know say no be say it say happen. Say this guy still tell her say your husband they give her 800 € every month. Because of that, we can't your husband money every time. Then husband tell her say this girl you not like how make it stay away for this girl.
Happy queen. Now because of this issue, now I make you and your baby father quarrel.
Yes, that one call the use after they judge me say me be one separate am with his sister every time, every time.
Wait. The as you don't come up for there now, the money now of the baby, they still they pay you.
Yeah, it enter my account, they pay me.
Okay. So
Sorry, sorry, mommy.
calm down. So,
Sir,
pet your baby. Pretty Joy, listen to me. Pretty Joy, listen. You try to work for your friend for the time where you take the unmute yourself. Unmute.
Bros, I mute myself now.
I
You want
want
make I
to.
me I the swear now before the swear go
You
start.
feel let
You
me
want make I
talk?
repeat the
Let me
swear?
talk first. So you
No.
help her. You help her. The time where she they dream, they see dead body, they see spirit. That one a good friend. Wetin friend fit do for anybody. You understand? You understand? Good friend. Unmute yourself now. They talk to you. Maybe for they
No, I
listen
dey
to
hear
me.
you. I dey hear you. I dey listen, bros. I dey listen.
So if you help am for that
Let's go.
aspect, say e dey see spirit, the snake wan swallow him and a baby for dream, and he
Bros,
said
bros.
the wish
I don't
don
want
even
laugh, my throat dry.
wait now. No, which one be say you no wan laugh? He said they don still come with your real face, your whole face. They can't come with your face. He no say na you o, na very straightforward person. He said they come with your face, come take press am for night. If be that say now you come be this one, but if one observe and say that they come with different faces, he no fit just say na you. He no say na you.
Epa,
Wait now, wait. He say you constantly
come,
show
come,
a road
come.
where
Come
she
now.
wan go, where she go fit take get solution. That is the native doctor, the prophet, and the woman really pray. The woman collect 250,000 from her. Nobody go fit judge the woman how much you need to collect for anybody. Even me wey dey here, so I no fit talk. If you like collect 1 million naira for her, you no concern me. She understand. So he really do am. The thing work for her because
Adamo.
I ask am say he work after everything. I will say e no work now. We for call the woman as we dey here, so say madam you collect 250 for person, how far we want to see the remaining money? If you like e dey Nigeria, we go still drag am. You understand? So as far as say the thing work for am, we no need to go dey ask how much she use for the woman, how much she no use. The main point of view now wey dey inside now say this woman say you talk to your husband some kind of things, but me still ask the woman say how far you don talk to person before? He say you don first talk to person. You no need to point hand on you say na you just purposely go spoil everything wey una gather discuss, go spoil am to your husband.
Bros, you
You
never dey
understand?
understand this. I beg mute first, bros. Me, I remember you. No, say by yourself, go tell your husband.
I know. You know they understand. He
Huh?
say your husband, not be everything he tell your husband. He say your
Come.
husband your husband hears
dey
some.
today.
He can't dey feel say na you dey tell am.
Na
You dey hear
lie,
me?
na lie, na the woman use the mouth talk everything. Na lie, puto.
Happy
Let's get a
Queen.
laugh from my head like Korokoro.
Yeah.
Like this, nothing.
Your husband he never dey hear anything before.
No, it they suspect because not this one I be friend when I get for Bologna. It can't they suspect say now this one they swear me. Say now this
Okay.
one house I go. Me come tell I say no, me not go at this one house so see where I go. I not tell my baby papa say now this one say me I go meet police for train station. I say na me by myself go. When this quarrel come happen,
Wait.
you want put I just want to put everything
Happy
for my
Queen.
head. Now open up.
Wetin cause quarrel between you and your husband at the money?
Yeah, now the money for February, night cost quarrel.
Okay, the money where they pay the 2 children where you get.
Yes,
Now
night
your
cost
husband
quarrel.
they collect, go they give his sister. That one
Make
an
it
error for that man.
well,
So
well.
Alpha, I want to get your husband number. We need to call him.
I
Your baby
was
father.
the number there.
So wait, may I carry Rambo come? We need to call your husband for this matter. Cause your husband, you don't need to touch that money from your hand. Go they give his sister. It's not done in anywhere. You can't do that. You know if you collect woman way open leg for labor, collect the money, go they give your sister. Say that your sister sabi save money. Never. That kind of thing, they happen. Nobody go take that one for the full Europe. I not believe say even person go allow his sister fall for that victim. Even though say that Chris person born for person, if you collect that money, go they give your sister. You understand? So the woman, okay, happy. They say you they lie. I been the man they here.
Me not the lie. The man dey here. If they who say I dey lie? If they collect the money for, if you are saying a lie, I will go back. I
How
will
many
pick
years
everything
you don't?
from
How
my
many
side.
years you don't start to they collect the money?
Since I dey born, when I first born my first pikin, my first pikin just reach a year. That time, if they pay, go say me I use to take buy.
You
So
still wait. May I fair ask you one thing? You still want the man back? Abi you don't want to go back to the man?
No,
Again?
no, not they go. No, never. I not they go.
Okay, I bring the number come. Because I dey do something fairness so that may I not offend the nature. So una hear her, he say she don't want the man back again. Not be me tell her comment section. So in case you understand, so in case the matter they go, you understand. So now choice, and so that we fit know whether we fit drag the man enter this issue. If you know say you want the man back, I not go talk the man part. I will just skip and throw away because
No,
they will settle
I
their
tell
case.
the man. I tell the man say, make they call your children, make it dey children like
Follow
I don't
this
want
guy.
me.
I beg happy. This guy wait dey near you now. Give him the number. Wait dey near you. Wait dey under of you. You
Okay.
understand? Give him the number. So now aspect of the juju now be the make koko where they happen. Now make her go bring this thing come for you. Happy. I want to ask you a question. Why you go tell your husband say man buy am shoe?
No. No, what would they quarrel for phone? He can't say Mama Eje come our house. The woman can't come. He can't tell Mama Eje say me donisha my baby papa. Now this destination me take talk and say whether I know the share, say I know donisha, say person when get husband, say another man they buy a shoe.
Okay, now so you buy, now so you talk and reach.
Yes.
That one not reach juju now.
Really, tell me. He send me the shoe.
Pretty Joy.
Hello, bros.
Only man say now that one not reach to.
Iya get one, bros. Iya get one. Okay, number one. Even if I call tell you say,
Okay,
I bless
why
you.
you come tell her?
Why you not tell my husband say I collect that buy me shoe for work?
What did
Why
you
tell
tell her?
another man
What
carry
did
me
you
buy
tell
me
her
shoe?
before she talk that word? What did you tell her?
Bros, you know the understand. Oh, no, just so all the explanation. Bros, apart from this explanation,
I
what I give
understand. He
you
say
now.
una dey call. What did you tell her?
Nothing. I swear to God, who made me my head.
Happy, what
I
did
don't
you
do
tell you when you
anything.
take talk that word?
I not talk
What
anything.
did she tell
I'm
you
not
when you
even
take talk
just to
that
the
word?
woman, bros.
He
Now
tell
then
me,
just
say
to
me
the
donisha
woman.
my baby papa. My
Tell
baby
her
papa
not
not
mute.
dey vex.
Hey, wait, they talk. I not talk.
With Mama
Mute.
Eje.
Mute.
Wait,
Tell her
happy,
mute.
wait.
Mute. I'm going to talk. I not talk.
Wait.
Yeah, bros. I
No, they
did
tell
my
me now
house.
I'm
Now
mute.
see the
No
same
be you
woman.
get the platform.
Now
If
the
I
same
want mute,
woman
I will
call
mute.
me.
No,
Tell
they
me
Mute
say,
now,
command me.
happy, mute.
bro, you tell me I'll come down. Oh. Now because
Mute.
I did here.
It's
I'll come
okay,
down.
mute.
Bros,
When you
now you
talk,
carry phone. Now you call the now then she talk to the woman. Say, see what me do. Say me block them. Say, see what they go on. The woman call. Now you tell the woman say me carry the man. Go juju. Say me they go kill her. Go kill his sister. Now you my country carry for coming, my pikin. Ah, since I know you, I never see you for this kind of way, my pikin. I beg. How did it say happen? Now I can't explain. I can't explain everything. Now you my country me say, but faith tell me say, you say me carry and go social. You go donation. You say, may you carry your husband go social. May you go social. You go donation for social. Now country say, mommy me, I can't get a stress for you, my place. Me, I did my house where you carry for come you. They give explain everything to me. Now country say, I don't feel pretty for my house. Because if you won't come my side, I don't feel accommodate you. May you go first station. If you get 5 years, may you go seek asylum. Finish. Finish. If you not talk, you go say na me. No, as the person dey lie for your head to defend yourself, no be juju.
So now
Now wetin make I go carry juju now?
wetin you say make you come swear now say
He say
man no
okay,
buy
he say
this
me
shoe.
say me what according to 3 things wey he talk now. He say me tell am say make he separate him and him husband sister be his sister. I don't know how they tell the separate person. Whether na spiritual husband, me no know. I don't know whether na ghost wey they separate. Me tell am make he separate his sister-in-law with his husband. Then me cut it off say I don't know what I talk. My brother, now the 3 things wey I give her juju paper for.
No,
Take go.
see wetin she talk now. Listen to her. Happy.
Kata chair, madam Mire.
Happy.
Yeah.
The 3 things where you tell abeg, mona power tap per share, mona complete my life goal abeg. Thank you very much. So abeg, my gallery dey there. Abeg talk. Which 3 things you tell her where she pay, where you pay her? Make you talk am again.
Okay.
Wetin you know say you tell her? Wetin you tell your former friend now?
Okay. I tell her say whether you know the shame. Say another man they kind go full locker they buy a shoe.
One.
I can't tell her. It tell me say may I call prophet. May the time my husband so that may they listen to my word. Anything when I talk, you they listen.
Okay, 2.
Which another? I don't know the other one when they talk. Make it talk.
Where the 3rd one? Which one be the 3rd one, madam?
Which one be the 3rd one?
Pretty Joy.
If I say make prophet kill your husband, make he kill my husband. Then me
You know,
I my husband for juju.
You talk about killing.
No, not talk. Now, when they curse my baby papa, now my baby papa can't call your husband. Just tell her like that. My mind can't ask me whether me talk. And I say, no, mama, I don't talk. Oh. My husband, my baby papa can't tell her, say, yes. Say, now he talk and say, I don't want to destroy home. Now make her still call her their husband. Still tell her like that. Not be me talk.
You not see her now. You see her Pretty Joy. Wetin you want bring juju for? Shey you see am? Apart from say he talk about Foot Locker and you want carry and go native doctor. Now that 2 things and that 2 things now you fit debunk and say you know fit debunk am. I know say na your colleague if he buy you gift. I understand na your colleague. I know as he dey for Italy. So now that one he take laugh you. You understand? And say you tell am say you want carry and go meet native doctor, make you pray for am, make your husband for the obey am. That 2 things. But that 2 things, so you do am, you not do am. Where you want carry juju for them, so.
Bros, bro, that be to say your colleague that carry and go full locker go buy a shoe. Then another man carry and go full locker go buy a shoe. Another man, that means you know whether the man they talk. Another man
No,
they
he
talk.
say na the man now. Now wetin
Okay,
he talk
not because say they like cut say na the man. Na the man tell my husband say na be. Not because it has not come from me, they cut change and say na the man.
Now
tell you like that
me
before.
tell your
man,
husband say
na man.
now when
Wait,
I tell your
bro,
husband
either
now
man or
sit
no
up.
man.
I say
Simple question.
another man they
If
carry
you
you
believe
go
what I
full locker
expect
go
on
dey
you now,
buy
I
you
tell you
shoe.
tell
Now
you.
what I tell your husband? Now
But
wait
when
till
you
me
be
tell
tell
your
me come
husband.
now, I call the book. Now so I be tell you before.
No,
Now
listen,
so me tell
Pretty
your
Joy.
husband.
Bros.
Pretty Joy, listen, you know they understand. Based on traditional woman where you be, you say another man buy you shoe. Even though say that your colleague, the man and man, you understand what thing they talk so. Now man, not be woman, you dey get me. So
Basa.
we know say for Europe, we know they follow all those things. A more solo. Oh, wala waka boy money. I beg. God, we lead out
Why
for
when I
you.
done it? Why when I done it?
So
Sorry. What I
you
do?
understand. So this girl now, what did she talk now? She not talk anything where be say it go warrant juju. If you really calm down, listen. I know saying a vaccination day between 2 of you now. Me no. You understand? So he say ma buy you shoe and wish he see you for road where you they come. You explain give
No.
am.
Sir, I not see her for road. Now but I say call me for phone. Still send me
Okay.
the picture of the on the shoe.
Okay,
Still send me
send
the
me
picture of the shoe.
Ah.
If you let me I die,
No, yes, he not deny that one. She even explain her on her own. So understand that one not reach for Juju now. Juju no fit come answer query for that one. That one is number one according to tradition. Because now what you tell her now she talk. That number two now say you carry and introduce her to prophet. You really introduce her to prophet, abi you no introduce her to prophet. Now what me want know? Hello, Sister Pretty.
Bros, I did here. Bros,
Man.
I introduce her to prophet. I'm not going to introduce her to prophet. I introduce her to prophet, make a kill your husband sister.
No, you not talk about killing now. She did not
No,
say.
now they debunk for you and I say, me say, make
No,
it
he
go.
said that your husband
Make it-
talk that one.
Okay,
Yes.
what your husband? No, be what you say your husband.
No, you know say when man dey vex.
Make the man call your husband. Wait, make the man say, if you feel the man, this time make you hear what you tell the man.
May
What
una
are the
give me
people
the
we
man
call?
number. Give me the
What
man
are
number.
people
Let me
when
dey
you
tell you
call?
say may you listen
What
well
are
before
people
you
when
dey
you
carry
call?
juju.
People when you call. No, people when you call. Almost 5 of
Comment
people
section
call me.
power tap and send me gift. I know they understand. A gift no dey fly. So abeg, give me the man
The
number.
cost of phone.
Sister,
When he talk the
happy
matter to. He say me time my
Pretty
husband for
Joy.
body say I want
Pretty Joy.
iron. I want
Pretty
kill
Joy.
now.
Wait. Pretty Joy. Wait.
I don't know your husband talk, not be husband talk. Who can the matter go give the husband? Not be. I go out with me.
Wait.
Who can the matter go give the husband? Not be. I tell my house. Now you drop off, they come meet me from my house. Now you come come meet me. You know what? I did my house. I did my own house. Now you come meet me. That's a good not the killer, but you see this way you do so, eh? I swear to God to meet me. Say, any man go do good for you again. That was I go to print it for your neck. You go to sickness for your neck. I swear to God to met me. Heaven and earth. For what
Shebi
you
dey
do so.
curse me now.
For
I
what
never
you do
curse
so.
am
For
o.
what you do
Na
so.
she
I
say dey
brought
start
down.
o.
For
E
what
dey
you do me
insult me
so.
now.
I
I no
brought down.
insult am o.
You go carry me
Shebi
go
una
give
dey
your
hear
husband.
am
So me
now.
want buy my
Na she
husband.
say dey
You
start
then I
am
dey
o.
change am.
If I
Then I
come
the man
insult
talk
am
am.
now, they say I
He dey
no
laugh for
good
the my
o.
head.
I beg,
I don't
Mona
he
too
dey laugh
wait,
for the
Mona
my
too.
head. He
My
dey laugh
sister
for the
wait,
my head. He dey laugh for the
my
my head.
sister
Make the
wait.
man fair come. Make the man fair
No,
come.
I never go. My sister wait, not be waiting with
Now
it.
me dey talk. Now the man, now the man.
My sister wait. I beg. No do am amicably, no insult, I beg.
I dey
No
come.
insult, I
Mona no
beg.
insult. Happy
No insult.
Queen.
Sir?
Give this guy your ex-husband number. Una no dey again. Give am the number. And Sister Pretty,
I been wan send am for you for I been wan send the number for you for WhatsApp.
send that call now. Or you
Okay.
give this my brother with data.
Wait, me I send am for you.
Osas, may send her for you. If you send her for
Oh
me.
yeah.
No worry.
Oh yeah. So number two, Pretty. Oh. Pretty.
Dey here, bros. I meet.
That woman wey that prophet so he dey TikTok.
You know, if you want me, I give you a number. Maybe by yourself, your call. Okay, if you want to ask her whether we talk about say, may they keep somebody.
I bet not
You say na
drop
me
that.
come.
I bet wait first. Not drop that woman number for comment section. A lot of people go call her, make them tie their husband. All those one wey don't even die finish for us. Or just go kill them finish. I beg, not drop am. I beg. I know wetin I dey talk. Not drop that number. I beg. Not drop am for comment section. I beg.
No, I'm not the dropper for comment section. No,
Because
I'm not saying when person may talk words. You dey see the evidence.
many men
You
don't
want to
already
see the
die
evidence.
finish for Europe. They all do that one join na every
Send
Friday.
the number.
My
Give
brother,
Osas,
the
I beg.
truth for bros, eh? I asked them, they would deny. That woman not be somebody like that. No. She know you know anything that error. She don't get hand. No. I never. Now your prayer for healing, all those things. She know they talk killing somebody. No.
No, you not
You get
talk
what you
about
person
killing.
knows.
You know they hear me.
Us bros,
Now
waiting they talk, they go for outside.
wait,
Say na
madam, you
killing.
wait.
Then
Madam,
now
listen
they
to
change
me.
that for here now.
Madam,
So
listen to me.
they
If
change
your
that for you for
husband
here.
dead there now, if he dead here, that your husband don't come
Okay.
out. You talk about killing. As soon
Okay.
as say your husband never come and not talk about by. We are talking about say make you pray for her, make your husband for the listed Torah. Now what is she talk?
That fighting never happened. Now they even the joy itself they enter this
Yes,
problem.
now make me
I
say
not
may
discuss
we
something.
debunk that one first.
Me and I not discuss something.
I
Me and I
know.
not discuss
Me
now. Now
believe
they
you,
need
say
to
una
mind
not.
the talk.
I
Maybe like
believe
what
you,
you mind
but
the
may
talk,
you
not be
wait.
me and now.
May
God
you
forbid.
wait. Just wait.
God forbid batting.
I beg.
God
Madam, you
forbid.
don't do now. Small.
No, you know, so
Don't
what
do.
people you not talk, you're gonna like, if you're gonna repeat, they repeat. You know what you not talk or you know the person call the person you do, huh?
Osas, I beg, not verse. My sister,
No, because that she there and me and I not discuss such ways.
wait. How did girl tell know about the prophet? How she tell know about the prophet? If you not tell her, how she tell know?
That's so bros.
Yes,
That's how
how
me the
she tell
talk
know
to.
about? Yes, how she tell know about the prophet? If you not tell her anything about prophet, how
Which
she tell
prophet?
know?
Bros, you know the year what happen. I take her meet me. Not be here you see this, I've been on the listing.
So I don't send you the number.
Ask her, you ask her, I tell know about the prophet. Not be here this
Okay.
is.
My sister, you dey hear me?
Sir?
I dey hear you.
How you take know about the prophet?
Now this one. When I get pobre, when I knew, but when which come they they press
Okay.
me for that. Now say like tell me say I go meet her say my pobre don't sub. Now say they send the prophet number for me. He come back, so I still call the prophet. Now so I tell know the prophet.
Okay, around that as he tell you about that distance. So he not gonna tell you now. Wetin be the problem when he tell you say he don't solve? Say
Your
you go
husband,
tie
not by
your
not they
husband.
go. Your ex-husband, not by your ex-boyfriend. I be now don't fair marry. You know, by not they go. You know they go.
Maybe they are call now this number, not like this number.
It's since
Maybe
then when you take come on, leave one. They ask of the children
yeah, they call it children, they call it children.
with this number, Abi.
Yeah, with this
Now
number.
be say this man they look us. This
I
man
see
they
her
look
just
us.
now. I see her.
Okay, you know it TikTok app.
Yes,
Wait,
now priest.
Prince, abeg Prince, come up now because your picture don't dey my hand. Now I don't want post your picture. Come up, just come. Even though say you know open camera, abeg. Now 2 questions I want to ask you. Abeg.
Ultimo.
Usas, abeg no vex. During that time where this lady tell you say your problem don't solve. Now that for tell you say you go tie your husband, abi no go tie.
Abeg, wait.
No, no,
You want to
no.
wait.
When I called, okay,
Hello,
man.
Oga Prince. I know say you dey watch me. You don't reach Urokpota. I know say you don't reach Urokpota if at all. No, not be person fault. Na nature. So abeg mute be this one. Mute first. So I call you for something, two things. Are you getting me? They don't bring juju paper come for your baby mama. You dey hear me? They say wetin he tell you, you go tell this woman. Wetin Rambo mute now, Rambo mute. Wetin he tell you, you go tell this woman husband. You say they be want go do your wife want kill am. Your baby mama really talk say he want kill am abi make he carry you go prophet place make they pray make you dey obey am. Na wetin we wan know.
Bros, sorry to tell you the word. For
Yeah.
this nonsense, I not fit order anyone. I not fit join the talk this nonsense.
No, because now they don't bring juju come for you. Your baby dey with now.
They
How
send
you?
paper come. They send a come for me now.
They-
They send me paper.
Okay, they still
I no fit
send you
join
the
them.
paper because
They
me
send
want
me
the
paper
broker. Me
today,
no
yeah.
want any juju paper
I
to summon.
no join them. They send me paper. I no join them. They do all this rubbish first. I be best with
Prince, I respect you. You see the way I
will
even dey
always
talk
reason
now. I just dey talk
myself.
to you like elderly brother.
Anything about them. Yeah, I know. I know
Okay.
if you don't know me, I know you very well if you don't know me.
You know me. Okay, thank you. You see
I
the
know
way I
you
tell you
don't
talk to
know
you.
now.
I beg
You
answer.
see all those people.
May we for clarify
I know
something
if you
come
come
out
out.
because of the babies.
Me and I asked that lady the day when I carry money go give me sister, and she did tell me.
Which one? Your baby mama now you dey talk?
Yeah.
Oh, I go ask her that one.
Everything
I go ask her that one.
yeah.
No worry.
I mean, she go give me. I mean, she give me the evidence right today. Carry money go give me this.
No problem. Me go ask her. Me go ask her that one.
That nonsense. Me and tell you, I will come out there.
You say?
But I tell you, see me, I will come out there.
I know say me you come out. Let me call you. You know pass. Nobody they pass as someone. If there's someone now you want make piece of fly if you know answer. So I don't want me everybody know you. I don't put your picture. I just called you. I respect you. Listen, bro. I beg, calm down. Be my page. I beg. Try listen to waiting I ask. Waiting make me call you. You know, I respect you. You be man like me. I know how you they feel. You understand? So try and understand and listen to what make me call you. Now, this woman still there with your kids, right? You understand? You dey hear me? Hello?
I didn't hear you.
No, if you dey quiet, go be like say I dey talk to myself. This woman still there with your kills. You understand? Now they don't bring juju paper for her. Say he talk say the other woman want go do juju take kill his husband, make it wrong according to the way you take tell that one husband. So she call the talk say no be so in talk and say now he pray for him so that he go feel the obey am. You understand? So you when you come the vest now, you can't go talk say bye. You can't go talk say they want bye person. You understand? You want buy your sister, you want buy all those things. He said now you take talk to the woman where the woman can't go carry juju something now. Now buy been a hanger, now you take talk that thing because if man the verse, not the way man of it talk, if man hear that kind of thing, even me, my pre go enter inside. You understand? I know
Yes.
what
Then I me husband. Then I was the day when I called the girl, me and the girl to make she tell me they will get this message.
Pretty
The
joy.
hospital they get married.
Pretty joy. He said that the husband you call. Your husband.
When I get to do this all this nonsense.
Pretty joy. You dey hear me? Pretty joy.
I dey listen, I mute, bros. I dey listen to everything, I mute.
You dey hear say she dey talk, say she not talk, he not talk like that.
And now the woman they talk, I just say he talking like that now. You they
But
say
the
you not talk
woman
like
not
that.
say bye now. He talk
Yeah,
or say
you know, yeah. Now what you come when they come my husband, tell my
if you dey
husband.
do like this,
I
you
can't,
no go like am.
bros, you know the listen to what the woman they talk is.
The woman no make sure bye for here sister. If you know
You know, yeah, when you say your husband they vex, like they come
wait,
husband tell her like that.
wait, comment section, wait.
Share my number.
Conversation, I know the yes is. I bet when are the right, when are the hear what the woman they talk is.
Which number? No, they don't want to share your number. Now let me want to deal with. I not
they join this nonsense.
Wait. May you wait till Prince. May you calm down now. You just the I don't understand you. Listen to me. If they carry that woman tomorrow, go or something worry the woman tomorrow, it go still affect you. Because your kids dead there. No, forget say una not there again. Now life. Una not meet to be together. Una not meet to be together. Anything can happen. Devil can enter on a miss to destroy anything. That is nature. Not be the one way you just take wait something like this happen. At least the face of the children, let them be important to you. You understand? So, wetin make me call you be say this woman dey make sure kpai. No, it's not be the way you take the talk and bro. It's not easy like that. So, not be the way you take the talk and so. People wey dey with pikin for her, they'll tell you wetin they pass through. You go wrong. Not be joke. As Gama, talkless of 2 children. Forget say you get sister here or you get anybody. My brother not be like that. Now Europe we dey. Wetin make me dey talk so? This woman now, wetin dey bring come say he wan go because of her carry juju come. Now because of say he say he wan do juju take by your husband. Now that one be the problem. Say he say now you talk am. You understand? Because your old baby mama wey una no dey again say the woman dey advise am say make they go pray for your head. Make you for dey lis ten to her. Anything wey they do. You understand? Now wetin he talk, you know say they wan buy you. So whether na aggression, you can go take talk to the man, that one husband, come make sure say they want buy you all those things. Okay. Alpha, pretty, you fit give me your husband number. You say you want to talk to your husband. It be like say your husband I dey lie now. Pretty. Hi. Hey, pretty Areva.
I mute it, bus stop.
Pretty, he say, I fit get your husband number, may I conference am for here so that they are two go talk.
You don't get my husband number. Not be like take my husband. You don't get my husband number.
You say you get
not be the light to take my husband. I did that what they call now. No, bros, you know that nobody my husband they share. Nobody my husband hear the matter. Nobody my husband hear wrong. No, I know you mention the man. Nobody my husband hear the matter. The woman call nothing like that.
You dey hear wetin that they talk so. He say he no talk like that to your husband.
Okay, talk now.
It be like saying that your husband fabricate that thing.
No, bros. Apart from the one with my husband,
man, you bring your husband now, number now.
Bro, you listen, bros. The woman call like 10 people for this Bologna.
May I tell you, the prophet said when the husband sell her, the prophet can't call me. The prophet can't say, may I explain what happen. Now I explain, give the prophet. Prophet say, me I not mind this. I don't be my God. Say me I not mind now.
Send me the prophet number. Happy quick. Send me the prophet number.
Okay, is there the other my phone? If
send her now. Send her for me now.
Is that wait?
Pretty.
I dey hear you, bro.
So me want call the prophet now. You dey hear me? No call though. Pretty, wait now. Where you they go?
Nothing they do. Want go bribe? You want go bribe? Nothing they do.
I mean a very smart person. I smart guy.
What smart. Talk? When I come to open up for my husband, I say no issue with my husband. Say na me go face.
I don't like
Bros,
him. I don't like
you
him.
say waiting.
Now you they ask me say waiting. You when I they talk to sis.
That's what they
I
do.
mute,
They
I
call,
mute, I
they
make a
bribe.
here.
This girl, that's what they do. God
Okay,
forbid.
I hear now, no be say they do. Sure you don't carry me cut it talk. I hear now, no wahala now. Oh yeah. You talk that settle the matter now. Yeah. I do here, bros. I do here. Oh yeah. I do here. I said I do here. Oh yeah now.
I want call your prophet. You
Eh?
dey hear me?
Call her.
Just calm down.
No, call I do here, mate. Call him. We do here.
Wait. Hello, the number dey this phone. Wait me, I connect me. Time to they go. That's it. Let's go.
How far, madam? Pretty.
I do hear you. I do hear you.
Happy.
Sir,
Tell me the number of the prophet now. That's why they are.
it did this phone.
Come out and send and go the other phone. I be no get this thing.
Okay, wait, me I come out.
He go bring you back.
Okay.
Una talk, una not talk. The juju paper don't come out. I think una not talk. I'm
You do not
yeah.
fit do. Wait,
No,
pretty.
that's an area. Not talk like that, bros. Not talk like that.
Pretty. Be like say you know.
I'm not
Pretty.
talk
Be like
like
say
that.
you don't know the law of
No.
Europe now. It be like say you
Not
never
the
know
law,
the law.
bros. Tradition,
Nobody
leave
they
that
bring
one.
juju paper.
Yeah,
They
beg
come
you.
you.
Person life for you. You know fit the book out. I
No,
know they talk
I
that
know
one.
the juju
And they
paper.
talk that
Not the
one.
work for
You
Europe
sit down.
again.
Person go sit down for you. They tell you say na so this one happen. You say juju paper not the work. Bros, not talk that one. Not talk that one. If you know they work from our side, they work from our outside. Pure, real, full.
Pretty. Pretty. Hey. Pretty. I say make you give me number, right number for me. You dey snap the first. Pretty, no dey make up. Hello. Abeg, guys. Pretty, this one where you not come the answer, so you dey call prophet.
I tell you, which prophet, bros? I don't understand why they talk like that. I don't understand.
Because I don't understand
I
you.
don't bust up now. I
You
don't
know
hear. I
since
don't
when
say
I dey
hello,
call you
hello.
since.
No,
I
bro, don't talk like that. That word don't you talk yourself like a verse. Which one be the prophet? Don't you concern me concern to call prophet?
I just
You need to
talk. I know. I
confirm.
say whether
And you
you.
not talk like that. Not talk like that because I don't have the verse.
It's okay
I
now.
don't hear
Calm
you. I
down.
don't
Calm
hear.
down.
I don't say hello. You know they hear me.
You not say
No, not talk to them.
hello.
I don't stop. Maybe you not hear. I not them meet before.
Sorry, though. I know
Yeah,
say
yeah, you bro.
woman, you know, I respect women a lot. If now they do something, my mind will just say, I beg everybody, wanna follow call me champagne. Get what you want, come tell me. I beg never complain 1,000. I say I know if you bring and come up. You understand? Call me champagne. If they comment session, call me champagne. Wanna follow her for me. I beg. If they comment session. Now they give Rose so. Now they give Rose so. Wanna follow her. Everybody. You get your own matter where you want come reason. I beg. Wanna follow her so that you will feel come up, come explain, give us. Everybody should follow her. I beg. Everybody should follow her. Now they give Rose so. Because I tell her, say, if you not complete 1,000, I like people to show face so that we will know people where they talk. You understand? Please. Rambo, they don't send me the prophet number.
Okay, put her for call. I know you here.
I want call her so. He even did WhatsApp. Hey, hey. I bet bring a happy queen come. He not dey WhatsApp. Oh. This woman not dey WhatsApp.
Happy Queen never send request to you. Make you send request.
You want give person number. See the way you say they give person number. How person want to understand that like this? They give person number when now? Just give me 080. I don't understand. I bet Rambo, I don't send you the number. Don't make you send that back if time for me to call her for WhatsApp.
The woman dey WhatsApp.
Na Nigeria number be this one. Na Nigeria number.
Yeah, the woman dey WhatsApp.
Na Nigeria number be this one. Na
Yes,
Nigeria number.
yes,
The woman dey WhatsApp. Na Nigeria number be this one. Na Nigeria number.
yes.
The woman dey WhatsApp. Na Nigeria number be this one. Na Nigeria number. The woman dey WhatsApp. Na Nigeria number.
Wait. Rambo, bring the girl back. Bring the girl back. I bet comment section power tap. I know even they see Rosemary. Call me champagne. Mona follow her beg. Call me champagne. They gift so that maybe they see you. That your story go worse too. That your story and go shake the whole Europe.
Natty, come.
I beg, call me champagne. Mona they follow her beg. Comment section.
Natty, come.
Everybody wey dey there will be 2,000 people. Mona follow her, follow back, or follow everybody wey follow you back. You understand? Make it complete 1,000. Because they know they do person that kind of thing now. Only me one of you here. God forbid.
Thank you for the gift.
Now you sure say this Nigeria number dey correct? Check am well.
I just tired. Because if I say make this woman by herself drop her for comment section, many women for Europe they'll use this prophet to destroy men. All men go enter. See, okay, Mona no worry. All those one will. No, few of us.
The number where you bring not dey WhatsApp, madam. Not dey WhatsApp.
You know, they the woman dey WhatsApp.
Send her if you dey WhatsApp, send
Send
am
you
give
from
am for
WhatsApp,
WhatsApp
give me
now.
now. Very easy.
Share and give am now.
Okay,
Because the number where you share, you not correct.
maybe
I
as
don't
I dey
know.
talk, I
They
know.
give me warning.
Wait.
Why did they give me warning? I don't know. Mona power tap, comment section power tap and follow call me champagne. You share the number for me from WhatsApp. Very easy. Not be everybody sabi do that thing. Oh, prophet Eli Europe. No, prophet number not go. No, men number go. You go get work well. So they work for women, you work for men. Pretty, Pretty, you dey make call, Pretty.
No, I dey here.
We dey know now. I know say TikTok dey show say you dey make call. Abi you never know?
No, I dey here.
You don't hear me? TikTok now they show if you dey call. Ha.
Because I say I not there call. I do this thing. I minimize my phone. Not there call. What about?
But you write and say you dey on call. I know me dey talk.
Can you the fear say me want make our back? I don't understand.
Your man they judge you now. You don't know.
How?
Where do my yaki?
I want to already I go for big party. I'm a fit down. I dey feel.
Ute we mi no ma. Ute we mi no ma.
No. Go for
Osas, yeah, the prophet now Agbo prophet.
I don't know which
Go for big.
person.
Huh? Pretty the prophet now from Agbo.
Hey, they speak Agbo.
Why you never done make Agbo KBs?
Yeah, they go release. They go release them just now. They go release them. You know gree show for our WhatsApp. Oh. You know gree show. Rambo. If you fit call and direct now. Meanwhile you're here for me.
You know, so I not get with a number to call direct now. You know. I will call number.
Bring Mommy Angel up now. Bring Mommy Angel up. Maybe Mommy Angel fit call direct.
I not see Mommy Angel. You say you don't tell him. I not see him. He's the one that takes the request. I not see him.
Because I know they look
Angel, you send request now.
If anybody there here they don't approve her, you can send me gift now. They don't approve her. Anybody there comment section where if we call Nigeria direct for us, for our people. If you there comment section, you will call Nigeria direct.
Sas.
Mama.
Mama day.
We do. Good morning.
You have somebody.
I bet bring it.
And for fee call, I no fit call direct. Oh, you know, say the other phone they house.
Okay, you know they ask.
If I can't call the I see they work because if I call the man now, with this one now, I don't know how they here.
We know here. As I say, you conference me. You know, if you still conference me.
Okay, may I conference you if I call
you fit conference normal direct call.
But they're not go here for TikTok. Now let you want to here.
Okay, I'll put them for last week again.
Oh yeah, you send me the number. Rambo man and send them. Me I feel call them. Me I call them direct.
Wait, do they pray?
Wait.
Not like for your head.
You wait.
You don't understand, bro.
Wait.
So not stuff like that.
Pretty, listen to me. As far as I say you they do media at all. Nothing go even give you that effrontery. Say you want go use juju, one carry juju come for friendship went wrong. This one 10 person, this one 10 person, this one. You want to carry juju come out. Are you for real? Who want did you not get sense? You know they ask
bro, what is I tell them?
What you tell you say see what you tell them. You there here just now.
Bro, I say I'm not telling anything. I supposed to say, I tell your husband, say your wife is the narrative your part. What happen? I don't see your wife for why. Finish.
Maybe like
what is what I talk? Okay, you need to talk to me. But no other thing they don't ask me. Actually, the food they don't eat. Where you know you don't say for your mouth. You don't take person for why. The man go the narrative say put her for us. You go be happy. You go treat it for mind. Now don't want be narration. Now don't want be narrating.
Happy queen, me know they understand you.
They with the me not the that one. Me the yours like out of the TikTok I was not there. She called nothing like 15 people will come and say, see what TikTok. Says I need you to do this one, I need you to do this one. Me just debunker by itself. See me, see you, basta. Another day when they talk on. Add that thing happen, make it explain. Imagine you see the time me say me tell me you get to one person go to talk for you when they sad way. When you go know so the reality. God forbid bad thing. I dare. Now I see you know that's me. I come. I dare.
I for like we will ask that happy question. Which talk now? Who talk? This guy. I want
to talk to them. I not talk to them. Just to
see, you know it be your problem, eh? Not say person not believe you. Your hash back. No say get big.
No, but you don't say as I person that is when you don't do something. You think you call the believe. You call the leverage. You go make you feel bad. And because I got the cast against me. That's why it's with based on say I be the chance to fight for you. No be say I be the one.
I know say na good you be do based on friends say wrong to you. So now you be happy. You don't know say go be like this or take.
I know this tell you say keep this one. Oh no, the thing they pay me. They pay me for money. They pay me.
Calm down. For that one, she dey wrong. Maybe one even knows conversation because you know if you just wake up, you go just call person, I get prophet. Now you go help them. No, they must be talking. Wait till she tell you, you can't talk. Then you can't tell and say, this prophet go help you them control your husband. I want really know that talk. Make she come. Wait till una talk reach there. Because you know if you just wake, you just say, hey, you know what you do? Prophet day. Well, I want give you where go the monitor your husband. Not the possible.
Hello?
Me no dey understand you. You dey send
I
requests.
dey call the woman with
I said when
my
you
phone.
put me for call the
Yeah.
woman.
Okay. I just say me I call the woman, me I
You don't know how
conference
to
you.
conference person.
No,
Call
the number not go. It not go. I not get a car for I dey go inside time now. If I reach that, I will buy card. Where then na foreign. You not go for WhatsApp.
anybody dey comment section here we go fit call Nigeria for me. Tell request if you know say you fit call Nigeria. Berabo bring anybody wey you know say you fit call Nigeria for me.
Quanto autobus arrivo? Fra un'ora? Mamma mia.
Dove devi andare? Castello?
No, Bologna.
Allora ti conviene venire in piazza, fai 101, cioè ogni 20 minuti.
Io ce l'ho due bambini, posso camminare, ce le sole.
Sir, the number is not located. I don't know which.
Per andare lì. Però quando questa forza vai a Bologna dritta.
Sì.
Però passa alle 16:30.
Ok, va bene. Ok, ciao. Nazi, come. Daddy,
Greet you,
come.
sir.
Alpha.
I do. Let them send the number on my account.
Okay. May I drop the number for you?
Drop
No,
out for
drop out for
comment.
my TikTok.
No, drop out for comment section. Make they go dey tag the amen for Europe. You know concern me. Feel like they tag now all of una put for beer bottle or palm milk bottle or this bottle waiting and now no.
Sir, you can't believe say that prophet fit time man.
You dey nothing wey no dey fit happen. See you. Now you dey
You can't
talk this
believe
one.
that one.
No, listen, mommy Eje, this word dey difficult.
Okay.
Like people powerful. Oh God.
Okay now. Me want go find that goat here.
He want drop they say they need the number.
Let me go tie
Okay,
the
they
Make
call
una
me
video for
type
one
the
time
rest
now.
men finish so una go happy.
Let me go tie the video for how much to come the time man.
Now you fed the
God,
date
I
with
beg you.
Davido. You fed the data. It will only work for you the friend.
Oga, forget guy will sit a reach there. Will sit tired.
You type the
Na to
video.
do the talk o. Na ponyoyon wa na. Oh, me like.
That's the work. I don't understand.
He get
I
that way
just
they work for
tired.
this time when they tell the big person down to that person. I don't know. You know they exist for this world. I've never seen it.
Now the number they comment section so.
I don't put on.
The problem we happy get you know they concentrate. So bros, you don't see the number.
$775.
Now he end with 09.
Yes.
Now another one they sing it. Okay, I don't sing.
See women, see how women they copy number. See them. Una they copy number be. Una want tell people. Jesus. Hey, whoa. Europe women. Hey, whoa.
Nancy, come, let me hold your hand. Don't go there. Come.
The number not the go. Not the connect.
All of a sudden,
Why the number not they go? I still call her for my own. You know, still go for WhatsApp.
Not
I will
connect.
say the woman don't know say they want call her now. Yeah, we
Maybe.
don't know. They don't have Visarian. Let's see. The woman don't know sharply. The woman don't know, say they want call am. You don't know.
Person don't have number.
Leave there, leave there. Leave there,
He
please.
don't have number. You know they go.
He said the number is busy.
This woman, this one, he don't never in. Oh no, no, for Bologna.
Osas,
Yeah.
I know they support their two. You understand? So now friendship went wrong. Then be this one so. They get me so. You see,
Mama.
there are two way there so. Their two don't talk their secret to their self. You understand me so? But the one way be say I not like. Calling the other one husband for park. They tell her.
Osas, I dey call you direct. I be don't talk to the woman just now. I want ask you now. You know they go. Osas.
You they call me direct. I don't see any
Yes,
number.
na not be direct.
That's
Say
a
me I
fact. You
call.
don't hear where they come and you can't say me they call and you don't talk. You they say you they laugh. You don't hear where they
Na
talk.
me call the woman. Na me call the woman. I deal with the woman with the toy.
No,
Cut us
just
no be
tired
no
of
laugh
this.
for see the start.
Mona wait
I
now.
don't hear when they talk.
I
Here,
come
so.
tell and say, I come
Quiet.
to say,
Now
Mama,
don't
bear
laugh
no
for the
verse.
start.
I
Oh,
never even talk
oh
anything.
Jesus
Oh.
Christ, you wait
Never
now.
talk. Wait.
Sorry, sorry.
I come tell and say, I bear make
No,
you
no,
no
go there.
verse. I say my brother want talk to am because me I know if he explain the matter. Where he come to say, okay man, no problem. We are for the come down say na Italy. Say get matter where reach. He say okay. Me they call us that's not who they pick 2 times.
I don't see you a call now. You not be here with day. Yeah. Not be me
Me
you
and good
call.
one. I know, sir, diploma, I don't understand.
May you fair call me before you put the
Oh yeah,
woman.
make her wait now, wait. Make her redo am again. I dey come. Because na the number wey him drop just now, na me come use. Don't be the one Rambo give me.
This
That one
woman
not
don't they
correct.
get a lot of customer. Oh. Ew.
Eh?
Leave
No, don't
people.
go there.
Leave people. Now who one time man? Now which man they tie? I don't understand. Now my way they want. Now my way no way, but it's not strong. Now they tie.
Now
I
lie
bet
be
most
that
forget
one.
that one.
Oh. Now lie. Oh.
Yeah, forget that one. I
Oh,
bet.
you
Not
both
them.
don't fair
Not the
use
old men
oh,
that they tie.
wait, lady, Mona know they talk this thing. If now I never see something, Mona know they talk am. Then they time man. Yeah.
Now lazy
Then
man that they tie. Beg.
not be by lazy. No man be bad jazz. Just leave that one. They can now man don't form mugu. Have you know they watch film? You know watch drama for Nigeria. The way men say they form mugu.
I bet that one a story.
No be story. Now what did they
Man, when they
happen?
not do juju for self, they form Mugu, not to talk of they can't just ask multi
They
join.
can't add juju joiner. Even normal chalk where they say they write for board. If you use that,
Oh
useless
God, I
one.
have the laugh.
I don't understand. I just dey sorry for the rest men. We want for it now. I will cry. Okona is a bokboru.
Eh? Sorry, sorry, Mama.
Bros, oh yeah, oh, my phone went off. Oh, you know, some of theirs. Oh, you say I carry off phone now. I dare you.
Wait, we don't dey talk. We don't put am. Make it pick up. You know we'll go for WhatsApp. Oh.
But no man, they WhatsApp, they WhatsApp.
You for call am make it come WhatsApp now. May you on in these days. Or call am direct. Call am direct. Call am direct now. Call am direct.
No, no, stop.
Bros, the thing not let you call. Ah, I don't understand. Pretty Joy. How you tell they talk to this woman? Now WhatsApp have been on a record. Pretty. All of them not the answer again. Happy.
Sir?
How you say they call the woman? Now WhatsApp.
And they call her for WhatsApp, they call her for normal call.
Why the number not come they go now?
I don't know. And they call her because may I say since March I block her. My baby because say me I block her, I can't block her. I know they call her since March. Before, if you not there online, I will call her for normal call. Say make you call her online, you will call online.
Because I don't really understand what they happen here.
One, wait me I share the town with us.
But waiting me stamp pretty. Pretty, you dey hear me?
Stay there. Give me your hand.
Pretty, you dey hear me?
Adaya, bros, Adaya.
You know since when I dey call you. You know since when I dey call you sis. If I talk now,
Adaya, boss. If I mute, the noise, you don't go hear anything. Say me I come back first. You know, some things are not there.
you tell them.
One.
I respect you as a woman for you to even come around because this one a friendship went wrong. You understand? As well as say, okay, you like still the door.
Nothing wrong. Come.
I meet you there.
It dey ring. I make it pick now.
I don't know, me call line, cut us okay. Oh, sorry, no problem. Enjoy enter what's up now.
I don't know why that bro say no fit reach the woman.
Okay, don't join, no sir.
Hello, ma.
Hello, ma. Good and my brother Denise. May he explain for you where I beg.
Hello, mama. Body dey fine, ma. Good morning.
Hello.
I hear.
Good morning.
We thank God. They say you be prophet, ma.
Yes.
Okay, because they just bring your matter. Madam, you never talk since so. I don't like that kind of thing. So they just bring your matter come for me here. You understand? So you get one woman. You dey hear me?
Yes.
I mean, I guess very big social media platform. You dey hear wetin I dey talk so. You understand? So the woman, he say you first pray for her. We be say they see snake, they see everything. So the prayer work. You understand? The woman can say he pay you 250,000. Now I can say even though say that 500,000 so far, waiting you use and do you see. You understand? As far way they talk the story. So Madam, I been you day.
Yes.
Okay, we are doing. Okay, you be Agbo. Okay, I even my best friend Agbo. You understand? So not say we dey close. So wetin make me call you now say he said the woman wey fell link am to you can't tell am say he say may you fit do am maybe man now for example you fit do am make man dey obey woman. You dey fit dey do am?
Make man dey obey woman.
Yes, maybe man wey dey misbehave wey no wan lis ten.
I'm not now married, like marriage where they wave and everything. They hear me?
Yes, I dey hear you.
Pray, God will settle the matter.
I dey hear
The
you.
marriage where they wave, husband and wife. If we pray, God will revive the marriage back. Do they hear me?
Yeah, I dey hear you.
Mm.
So because wetin she
Like,
talk, wetin
you
she
understand?
talk,
This woman, when make your wife know me. Do they hear me?
I dey hear you, ma. Yeah, I dey hear you.
The woman will make your wife know me. Even a brother, the woman, husband, a brother, all of them know me. The mama know me, that they come my brother, they come my house. Do they hear me?
Yeah.
I know they do bad. Now good thing and prayer. Now the good thing. But the first thing is that me surprised and say, is your wife go to tell the child the native doctor?
No, you not talk say you be native doctor. You say you be prophet. You not talk say you be native doctor.
Say as I won't kill the woman. say I won't kill. Many things when the woman tell me say your wife talk.
Which time the woman take call you? Which time the woman take call you? Which time the woman take call you?
That was last month.
So today now the woman never call you.
Okay, it be this month.
Today now the woman never call you.
No. Nothing like that.
No, not be the woman where they talk. The woman will make you know, will make us know you now they talk. When he not call you today.
No, never call.
They never call you. So now waiting they call you for be say we want confirm whether you they feel the time because he talk and say you get the way you take one. The man will come they obey the woman. You understand? Say you don't fair do one for your friend.
Before. Nothing like that. Prayer, marriage. Now prayer for marriage go settle. With the hear me, maybe husband and wife they pray. Husband and wife they quarrel. To make prayer, they go. The marriage go stand. Like with that one, I'm not the type person. Person when I feel they lose, a person when enemy tie, where they won't keep. I go do the prayer, I go do the work. God go lose her. I be that one. If they tell that kind of thing, tell the person say, I'm a prophetess, or if tell the person say, I do life for my head. Okay. They hear me, nothing like that. I know they do that kind of person, that kind of work for person. They hear me.
Okay.
But me, they do work for boys where they work. They that kind of thing. I'm not the prophet. They're married now. They hear me?
Yeah, where that woman call you say they see snake and everything. He say give you 250,000. Not true because the other one say na 150. The thing can't confuse. They want cause fight for them. Now they tell them say the money no matter.
Oga, I work for the woman. They hear me?
Yeah.
I don't work for her. Give him money. I work for her.
Yes.
That thing don't go everything. So do I want to see they do all those stuff? I don't know that the woman.
Nobody tell you say nobody talk say you be native doctor. Not let anybody deceive you.
I be native doctor. Say me won't kill that woman. Say I go tie that woman husband. Say me they kill her. No let God go back.
Wait. They not talk say you be native doctor. Anybody will talk that in a fabricate. Are you getting me? They only talk say you are a prophetess. Are you getting me? I wish you be prophet, right? You understand? You know, say when you be
make this woman when they talk, make her know me. The brother from God know me, the mama know me, all of them know me. They hear me.
Yes.
I go do talk to that.
Okay, you don't tell where you they work for them. I understand.
Tell me they know my son, they know my house.
Okay. Prophet Doris.
So the wife they quarrel. Now they say walk this when I married, make God settle at the end. Answer prayer. God revive the marriage. So now that I may not know this one.
I understand. So if marriage was destroyed, you feel pray like their heart go calm down, they not come invest for each other again. Okay. Now I understand. So okay. Yes, ma'am.
Marriage.
Okay.
Say this one. I'm tired. You think confuse me better? No, let God I go fight the back.
No, they don't talk say you be native doctor. You know, say where something don't pass bush.
They hear me.
You they hear me? Where something don't pass bush, people come they lie, not believe. Yeah, they don't talk say you be native doctor. They say you be prophetess, which you don't clarify your own self. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you for everything. Yeah. So your number, we drop your number for my platform. A lot of people will call you for work. I beg, if they say they want time out for bottle, no, you know they do that one. No, I just they talk because no, wait, calm down. I get big platform. About over 2,000 plus they watch me. So if there's call you say they want time man or anything, they want betrayed man for Europe or they want do man. No answer them because now you don't be. I don't get your number. I'll they call you sometimes. But if they call say may you pray for their heart. Wait, mama, calm down. Prophet, wait now. Prophetess, wait. Prophetess, calm down. when they call you for say success, maybe they look for documents, they look for job opportunity for their life, or they sick, they're not well, or they pray for their businesses to they grow. All those kind how their husband go take better. Maybe they come say, my husband, I want to make it better, baby, help me pray for my husband, make it make the promoter, all those kind of things. If you they do one, we not get wahala. You understand? Thank you.
For my life, they hear me all. Yes, maybe police state. We get like one woman now, almost 7 years where they police state. When they since last 2 months, when they call me, I go enter prayer, do spiritual work for her. The case, they release the case and everything.
Okay.
They hear me.
For Europe, yeah.
Like,
so if they carry person picking, if you pray put, they'll feel release the children, because a lot of women they where they carry their picking.
Yes. If I begin to give you testimony for Europe, then
for Europe.
Me.
Okay. But one thing when I want to talk, they not say you be live. May you like omenimero make way. You understand? I dey hear Agbo small. They say listen. You know, say many people na gbomero for Europe. So you understand? So wetin make me they tell you be say, listen to me. Now people go they call you because I drop your number for a present of 2,000 plus people. They're going to call you to, a lot of them will come say, okay, they say, they talk and say, you sabi time man, all those kind of things. You know, they do all those one. Now to take, promote marriage, to make sure say marriage, they're not scatter. Yeah. Now you they do. And to person document and who they collect the children and who they pass through difficulties, now you they do. I want to make you tell them, say, see what you they do now, so that they will feel they call you. I bet me they not call you for, if they carry their man, say their man stubborn, say they one time I bet drive the person, or you call me for this number, I go drag the person come out. You hear? Thank you. Because a lot of them go call you for work. Thank you very much. You do well. You do well when you take answer my call. You hear me? Hello. Mother Prophet, can you hear me?
Yes.
I say you do well when you take answer my call. I say a lot of people will call you now. As far as I say you don't clarify to us. Thank you very much. God bless you. I really do appreciate.
Mama, thank you. Wait your answer. God bless you. Yeah.
God bless you.
Don't promote you. Don't worry. People will call you well. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye bye.
Osasapi ask one question.
No, wait first. Fair leave question.
Bros, wait, let me ask question. Because you know, I'm not talking, I don't mute. I want to make that call first before I go talk anything.
Oh, yeah, talk.
You understand?
Talk.
You see, say, when you call that woman, I tell you, since last month, now I don't call her.
No, be
tell
you,
her, say,
that woman.
Okay, that woman, since then, now nothing done for me the year up and down. When they call people, they tell people say, now nothing done not by give her. Now this one not by give her.
They
know now.
She
No, because they call you talking now. Brothers, you know they understand. I don't make me the shout. If they ain't going to talk at the prophet,
Maybe now the people change her for them. Maybe now the people change her. Wait.
No, mommy, no. You know why I tell you, talk out for my present. Now I say voice notes. I don't know whether I don't delete the voice notes. When I take copies, he say, tell that meeting that me not they disturb me again. I don't know whether I keep saying the voice notes. When he said to person, that voice note, the person can't send that give me. He said, tell the native doctor, make it not they disturb me again, or I beg. Now I'm not there meeting. Tell her they with the native doctor, make them not they disturb me again. Now, so the same thing, call everybody, tell it's not lie. People wait change doctor, they make sure that anymore and make them come up.
Pretty.
Make guys they come up.
Pretty.
I dare you.
I beg, bring this star come, Rambo. Star whatever.
Star waiting.
I don't know what it's right for your name. So, Pretty, for this, at this junction now, we want to make this matter die. You dey hear me? You understand? So, nobody...
You want to make the matter that matter don't charge back people hand. People and make it die.
If you like, you carry and go.
Bros.
If you like,
bros.
You carry and go.
You know that, yes.
Listen to me.
I don't know.
Pretty. If I dey talk to a person, you have to listen to me. You understand? If you say na Ayelala number you give me just now, say I call them, I tell Ayelala make they remove hands. Now what thing I'll talk? Not be joke. You dey get me? I'll tell them say, una they just bring matter come for una. Now matter una they carry. I go ask them question. Now everything where they just come your table because of money, you just say okay, go up. What's one available? You ask question. You understand?
But me marry understand you bribe you well. You don't bribe
So
you. You ain't come to the talk like that, say don't bribe you.
why
Because
you
you
dey
won't call
talk?
the woman, you don't call her. No, you don't call
Why
the
you
woman,
dey?
you don't hear. You don't
No,
hear now, be.
nothing happen. I don't want talk. The woman a prophet. Prophet can do everything. Prophet get power. Listen to me. Me where quiet and not talk. I want make the matter end. Now make me quiet like this. You don't see the way I talk to the woman. Now experience. I don't want to go there say, madam, the see person where you say you do like this. No. I just go there, talk waiting and want talk so that I'll feel you start asking question and in a rightful way and a rightful manner. You understand? So not be the way body take dey scratch you, not be so that they scratch body, especially you did this Europe. You understand? So you have to know, say sometimes, even though say you are person, friend, una fit fight, do anything, cause each other, call each other any other thing. People can carry wrong rumor, like to change everything. Now your duty to call her, talk to her and say, why this kind of thing dey happen? If you no wan lis ten to you, you just block her. No need to dey follow her dey come dey exchange words to say, okay, I wan go carry juju. Okay, wetin your juju wan
Bros,
go prove you? Must you
bros,
show yourself say, wait now.
bros, wait
Wait,
now.
I'm
You they
still
talk now,
talking.
say,
Madam, I'm
okay,
still
sorry.
talking. I'm still talking. See, must you show yourself, say, you know juju house for TikTok? Or maybe for everybody come know, say, yes, you know where they go. You want to go carry juju, ayelala. But you know, say, na ayelala, na somebody former, you know. So, sometimes when you dey do some kind of thing, you need to first think. We were there Europe, so all our heads, it be pass ayelala. You dey hear me? Because we don't see life. We don't see suffer. We don't see humiliation. Where mama no dey, where papa no dey. You understand? We don't see for this earth, all of us, not be only me one. Everybody, both you. Where you don't waka go for midnight, say you dey find money, ayelala no dey go there. Midnight, you go work, ayelala dey sleep. You understand? So sometimes not be everything you go carry go juju. We don't talk and say for this Europe, if
Bros,
something
men not
happen,
vex so. Bros, not vex. I won't come
now
down. I won't
make I
come down.
finish.
You know, I take another my phone one off. I won't
You
come
go
down.
come down, you go come
I don't
down.
answer you finish. I won't come down.
Waiting I tell
Thank you.
you, she know the answer any juju. No carry juju put for this matter. This matter is dead. Nothing dey here. Happy.
Osas,
Happy.
make happy
Wait.
just tell her say sorry, I beg.
No, wait first. If you go, even though say go do that one, you go do that one. Say wait. Sometimes happy. If you and your friend dey quarrel, not be everything that they talk. You dey hear wetin I dey talk.
Sir, this guy, if you want betrayed me, if you want,
I know.
you want
Are you
put everything
betray
for
her?
my head.
Wait,
Now me
mommy
know.
Eje, mommy Eje, wait, mommy
Mute
Eje, wait.
yourself.
You are too, wait. You
Man,
are
my
too much.
cooking.
Wait. Una too wrong with
Now they are
yourself.
two betray each other,
Una
not be
too
the only
betrayed
one
with
person. Now they
yourself.
are
I
two.
know. So waiting I dey try to tell you. Next time, you get where person mat dey reach, you seize am. Happy queen, you dey hear wetin I dey talk?
Yes, sir.
E get where you talk reach, some things dey wey be say mat. You need to get. Now make me dey tell most of my friends say, if you talk too much, people go see you finish. You understand? You have to have reserve. That reserve now make you be human. Now make you be that person where you be. You will have reserve for some kind of say this thing, if I talk and if you destroy this person or can destroy me. You understand? Not be everything man they talk, or not be everything woman they talk. You dey get me? If woman say make they talk everything, you will feel count how many man where issues of una don't meet for this earth. Una call they name them. No now. You know what all the name man now. You understand? So please, in case of next time, I know say that juju paper, you hear what I tell you. That juju
Yes,
paper
sir.
don't come. You understand? So no answer any juju because now anger now you take talk what you talk. You understand? As it dey vex you, now so it vex her when she take vex go carry juju. Even juju people wey want cause the cause, they will suppose know say this thing I just friendship with wrong. They be friend, una be friend before. You understand? So if una want still separate, say una no want be friend. Not be with the one where juju will call separate una. Una feel separate by una self because una self una two. Now he did this Europe. Juju not there here with una. Una they hear me? Not be everything una way there Europe. Any small thing una don't run go they carry juju. We don't ban down for this Europe. Mona stop. You understand? Juju. If they owe you money, now person whether they owe money, all those kind of things. Now you feel they go okay, they deny say no, they owe you. That one they different from say you talk for me, I talk for you. Now banter, you understand? Juju know they work for inside there. You understand? Please, I dey tell everybody. They use this message to tell to everybody. So pretty, that your friend, so that your friend, you will still remember the good type wey say work for you. Wey be say you dey see spirit, they see snake. You don't know they pursue you, they go. You understand? She still direct you meet a prophet wey pray for you. You're not going to see all those things again. You for consider that thing not to talk some kind of things. Forget say I dey deal with her since. If I not deal with her, they'll say that because say that my Benin sister. No, I know they do tribalism. I'll tell her he wrong. You understand? So I know say she still dey look us here. You understand? So anytime when you see her, if you still visit the rich her, tell her make it no verse. You dey hear me? You dey
Yes,
hear
sir.
wetin I dey talk? Tell her make it no verse. So that you face your life. Your baby father issue. You say you don't want to make una settle, right?
Yes, I don't want. No, never.
You don't want to make una settle. So for her, you tell her make she not verse. You understand? So na hunger because you don't know where the story they come. Maybe not be she even they tell your husband all those things that people where you don't fit tell. You dey hear
No,
wetin I
sir.
dey talk to? Wait. I say maybe. Listen to me. Na sense. Try to understand. Maybe if it be she, if it not be she. I don't know whether you dey get wetin I dey try talk. You understand?
Yes.
So please, in case of next time, not be everything you go dey talk. Have some private. You understand?
That's it.
It's very important, please. If you see her, tell her make she not vex. But that juju, no answer juju. You understand?
Yes, sir.
That's so it be. No answer juju. You don't carry and come TikTok. Why we say you never come TikTok? When I go they do and we not hear them for TikTok. You feel go answer. Any matter where you don't come TikTok, we don't talk am for this app. Say we don't need juju for TikTok.
As I see the message, I called the man. I want to talk to the man. I explain my own. The man said, me I not talk. Before I talk,
Now
me I
fear,
pay 150,000.
Leave all those talk. Leave all those talk.
Before I talk.
I say leave all those talk. Now fear. You don't understand. You get the Ayelala number.
Yes. Yes. I get.
Okay. Later you send her. Abi Rambo Mo call the Ayelala.
He said the girl.
No.
He said the girl. He said the girl say make they swear for me. The girl say make they swear. Then the man say no. You need to hear before you do the swear.
Now they don't tell
okay,
the
I respect comment section. They say no. They say no. Okay, it's okay. I don't go call because me, ask me Conte now.
That's it. Come and sit down here.
He said Juju they hungry. I respect una comment section. So pretty, tell that woman make it no verse. You hear me? You hear me?
Sir?
Tell her make she no verse.
But
don't worry. Just do what I tell you because
but
you know,
I not talk anything wrong. Now wait till tell me now I talk.
I know. Listen, you know still they understand. Sometimes you know your mama knows how big waka say you know.
They don't block her now. They know they talk. They block each other.
Tell her for here.
Now they get block me for everywhere.
Madam, tell her here. Make you they go down. I know if you talk. Tell her make it no verse. I know what I'm doing.
Okay, this one not verse so.
It's okay. So
which one was
Mommy, it's okay. It's okay. Make them look juju matter. So you know why I say me tell her make it not verse? Because of the help where the woman help and where you say newborn, that's why they see spirit, that's why they see all those things. For a person to stand by you, carry you, a person will be pray for you. Where you get mama no feel run around for you. Now another friend, now I can run around for you. That person, he try. Even though say he come mess up, if he be say she mess up, you understand? So I only tell her, say make she not verse because of the help where she fair render for her. Where we say my friendship went through a lot of things when they come out. Mommy, I just try to understand my page. You understand? So if you see friend where if it direct you to where you see help, whereby say the thing solution come, now good friend to you. You understand? You the girl me, and if solution not come just now. The way I call this woman go return the money. The way me and my mommy agent told to the woman just time for return the money. You understand? Now that one me go they look. All those one are banter not really matter. You understand? Now banter will be say any friend can tell anybody something. We go pay them. You know understand? So time mommy agent they fiang boom my career here, but I will quiet. I not talk back because of say now my person. You understand? Not be everybody get that spirit. So people can talk back. You understand? Please.
Yeah.
You hear what I tell you?
Yes,
Not be everything that they talk from today on. Anytime when you want to talk so even though say friend call you, any of your friends call you today to ask you anything, come explain, do like this, no answer them.
Okay,
You hear me?
Joy,
Focus on your children. You hear me?
what me go tell you, no marriage is perfect. The small happiness you will still get for your marriage, people will still be jealous about it. Only one thing I will tell you, you don't born 2 children. I will tell you to go and sit down and think about what you want to live. I will tell you to do that. Not to say, see, wait, let me tell you something. You be Shangel, let's say you be Shangel.
Yes, I be Shangel.
Good. I go tell you one thing for this life, and no outside, nothing there outside. Now the one way you won't go see 9 wars pass. Only waiting I go tell you, no man they perfect. As I did, I don't dey marriage for how many years. There's no marriage that is perfect. Only one thing, men they do mistake. But only one thing I will tell you, if that man is taking care of you and your kids, I will tell you to be there for free. Now what I will tell you, don't look at money. Money not be anything. I will tell you for free as a sister. I will tell you for free. Not let person deceive you. Come out. Say you won't stay alone. Guy, they go use up on you, they go throw away you. Go see anywhere where you not say you don't error. Go and apologize to that your husband. I will tell you I'm from Uromi. Go and apologize to that man. That man will apologize to you. That's what I get to tell you. Nothing else. There's nothing outside. With your 2 kids, there's nothing outside, my dear. There's nothing outside. Nothing outside.
Happy.
Yeah.
Apart from money matter, where you they talk about, as you know, Nico, where they talk about. Another thing they will cause quarrel. Another thing not there now.
No, many things they are not fit the because now my marriage you shall not fit the.
You never felt married now.
No, at least I live with them. We marry, we not marry.
Okay,
I
baby
my
father.
husband
Yeah,
because
it's okay. It's okay.
I get 2 children for her. No, many things happen, but I don't think on the expect everything for year now. Now me where should I mean know where for they pay me?
Because as you go outside, so the way all those men go say you use bola till they wipe your career, you know what to be life.
Now woman when not know itself, now they do all those things now.
You
Me
know,
now to take care of my children now day after not be man now.
And you'll feel your day for life like that. You know.
Why not?
So you know why they talk.
Sister, easy to talk, but it's not easy to do. Now mouth now they talk. I will tell you for free. You are still young. The way I see your picture, you are still young. You never even reach 40-something years.
My sister, if I tell you what I'm about to say, you know,
my sister, people they will be mad. Don't wait.
No,
my
mommy,
sister, people they
not force her. They don't be force person nowadays. Just leave one.
Is Wamagbe. Ẹsẹ̀yàgbé ọ̀rẹ́ tẹ́rẹ́ kí ọ le.
I want tell her.
Now it's sound like you now, sister.
Sister, now let me they tell her more.
So a lot of things they happen for this life. We need wisdom. We have to use. I bet we don't need music here. But that will be this one. You are no gay. You never buy a rapper go give your mama one so.
man.
Hey, brother,
my boss.
Happy weekend to everybody. Is
Now,
that marital advice?
Yes.
Maybe the advice this girl.
Yeah.
Look,
You dey go
honestly, not be everything somebody
Okay,
feel really
card they
talk
call.
about. Marriage.
Okay, no
If it
problem. Me, I
favor
go
you,
now.
if it is sweet you, I bet stop
thank
turning mute. That if it is sweet you,
Still personal before you continue. This woman, everywhere na noise if I carry am come up.
Egbewa
I beg everybody, we be 1,800 people here now. FYP day. I beg.